Ka arpulai terik ubenai jeliu arajar arpusaw, kadi kesengi kebahas Satlak ke Pyrthei, ki Rakhe kerpang ye keni kesengi, kum kesengi kebeletip kum ke SOSD. Badha keni kejela jungi, kebangilayo bansaki ye keni kejing Rakhe, kadai kebelepelong daga kenhun SOS Children's Villages India, lingba kesnat jong ke SOS Children's Villages Shillong. Kejaka keberi sumar ye ki kun swet kebadon ha yang. Hakini kejing Rakhe, lawan banyadan bentalang do Menteri Sorkar ubakmi ikatanat social welfare jong ke Sorkar Jela ubak Paul Lingdok ubalalong ukongsan, Ryngkat kejingadon lang u Anthony Alankar Caroline ubadai u in charge jong keni ke ying ri kunswet kabalaseng naduk kesnem kat kendai spa kendai pau, bat haduk menta kadon nyo pongut ki kun ki basyong basa hakini ke ying. Lapin ipo iping ye keni kejing Rakhe de kita masa beper halor rinsan ki balai shimentahi de ki kun jong keni ke ying kentup naduk ki habrit haduk ki belakam he karta.
I give the instance of Buddha. He had all the power in the world. His father was a king. And he gave up the status and the stature of being from a royal family, gave up everything to search for enlightenment. And it was when he gave up power and royalty that he became powerful. And to this day, the teachings of Gautama Buddha are taught and listened to by the entire mankind, including non-Buddhists. I'm happy to see the growth of this village here, especially to know that you have gone into new avenues like IT, communication skills, sustainable livelihoods, everything that empowers the individual.